Just going with some stain we had here. It is ebony. That's all I'm going to do to it until I put some polyurethane on it. Looks pretty cool. I like it. So I'm going to let that dry. I bought the last hook. So that's going in. Already drilled the hole. Definitely not a professional job, but I got it up there. I suppose if I paint that wood brown, it'll match the pegboard and won't look as goofy. I got a lot of it down there showing. But I'm not a professional, and I don't know really what I'm doing. I'm probably making something more difficult than it should be. But there it is. The bench will go underneath that. Got the first coat of polyacrylic on. Polyacrylic. I don't know the difference between polyacrylic and polyurethane. Polyurethane I had was bad, and I had this really old stuff. Just a little bit, enough left for a couple of coats. I'm going to use that up. Maybe 3 coats, I don't know. Cool looking bench though. This is the finished bench. This is the gear room finished. There's the bench that I just put in. It's an empty pegboard. So not counting the stuff I already had here, total I spent $90. All I had to buy was 1 bias for the frame for these, some pegboards, some hooks, this piece of wood, and these brackets right here. I bought 4, but I only used 3. So I got out of it for under $100. Pretty happy with that. And it looks nice. I will be painting this wood eventually. Not a fan of the way that looks, but not bad. Well, that's my gear room for now. I will post more videos with things I do if I change it. I'm pretty happy with it. Nice, comfortable place to do video editing right there and hang up all my gear. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.